Hey guys, Tech with CFL-TECH back with another streaming media news story. We're on the CNET site with this one, and it'll be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So Roku Voice will soon let you ask questions and search with AI. Now Roku has outlined a number of upgrades, including Bluetooth headphone support for the sticks and more search. So they have some improvements here, and we'll see what we have now. The company says Roku Voice will now use a combination of in-house and commercial generative AI and LLM technology through an unnamed provider. This will enable contextual interactions, so you can actually have now continued conversation. So if you ask, is Barbie suitable for kids? And search, Roku Voice will also understand context, and you can ask follow-up questions similar to demonstrations CNET has seen on Google Gemini on TV. So, we've seen this also on the Google Home displays and now Alexa Plus. So you can have a continued conversation. It's more like a real person conversation. It's getting more and more like that, and this is going to continue to happen now with these improvements with AI. Now, when asked about privacy when using AI, a Roku spokesperson told CNET, we follow Roku's published privacy policy and viewer settings. Roku did not respond immediately to CNET's question about which company was providing the AI technology or how Roku would protect its users' privacy. So that's something we don't know yet. And, who is involved in this? Is it Google? Is it Amazon? Someone's involved with this generative AI feature. As we know, it's been used in other places, and those companies that are offering this, that's working with Roku, obviously has a background doing this. So it's very interesting to see if we find out at some point here who is the company that's actually working with Roku. Now, they also have some upgrades here for the mobile app. The mobile app has also had a glow up with more control functions available when you swipe upwards, and these include quick access shortcuts such as Find My Remote and closed captions. So Roku is also expanding its search bar to more screens, including What to Watch, Live TV Zone, and Live TV Channel Guide. The interface will include a new Ways to Watch button featuring trailers and streaming apps under each title while browsing. So yeah, it'll have a couple of options under each title. So if you go into a particular title, it'll give you the Ways to Watch right there. Very easy. They're trying to make it less of a search for you, and that makes great sense to do that. You don't want to have something more confusing. It's already crowded on a lot of these platforms, and anything they can do to make these easier for the search, user interactions and all that, just making it just an overall better experience. That's what we're all looking for with all of these platforms, and it's getting more competitive out there, so that's really good, and that'll keep these companies continuing to innovate and make things better. So we'll see what happens with this. It should be rolling out here in the coming weeks, so this is good to see, and once it rolls out, we may take a look at it on our TV and show you around a bit. We'll see what happens with that. But what are your thoughts on these improvements? Are you looking forward to this with the AI? Are you just not comfortable with AI? A lot of people may feel that AI is a bit intrusive and it's getting a little bit on the scary side. It is what's happening, and there's no turning back. AI is here to stay. So whether you like it or not, we have it, and it's only going to get more common. We're going to see it in a lot of different places, and it's rolling out more and more here. So what are your thoughts on this with Roku? Are you looking forward to it, or maybe not? Let us know down below either way. If it's your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps out with the algorithm. It's really appreciated as well. Thank you for watching. Tech checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.